All right, what's up, everybody? I want to talk about how do we get a data set loaded into Microsoft Azure Machine Learning, and then how do we get it onto a workspace or experiment, and then start using it from there, and then visualizing it. So, as you see, I kind of got that set up already. Here's a data set that's already in there. I'm going to delete it and start from scratch. Over here on your left panel, you can see you have a lot of different things. At the top, you have your saved data sets. You have my data sets, and then you have samples. There's plenty of samples to start with to get you to start learning. I'm going to talk about the my data sets and how you get your own data sets in there. That way you can start using it for practical reasons, maybe inside your own firm or company, whatever it is. So if I open up, I'm going to press OK to that. I'm going to open up data sets. You can see I've got some already. To add a new one, we can come down here. We have data sets, upload new data set from local file. Click local file. Then we can choose one that we have. So Titanic, train. I can press open. It's a CSV file, and it recognizes that format. You can see here we can select some different formats. We can also give it some optional description. And then up here, there's a checkbox that says this is a new version of the existing data set. As you saw before, it's already in here, so it's updating it with new information. We can uncheck that to get to load it in as a new data set. I'm going to press check to update that existing data set. And down here you can see that it's loaded. It's okay. Now if we come back into our experiments, just kind of show you, here's how you start a new one. Let's do a blank one. We can see over here in the workspace that it shows kind of how when you get to this point, your data set and module is going to be configured after dragging some stuff in there and kind of getting it set up. So over here to the left, I have saved data sets and my data sets extended, and then down here you can just select on it and drag it over, and then now you have it within your model, and you can start playing with the data and seeing what you can do with it. Here where it says one, that's where you're going to drag your little connectors that you can connect to other modules. You can right click it and you can see download if you want to download that specific thing. Visualize, generate data access code, open a new notebook. We just want to visualize it, kind of see what we got. So you can see the information, kind of shows what's going on. Exit out of that. So I mean, that's the basics. I want to keep these as simple as possible. This is how you get a data set within, into your project, and just kind of get going with it. So thanks for watching. I'm hoping to do more of these every day or so to kind of talk about basic processes. I'm going to build upon this one and then go forward and to kind of see what we can do with it. Just for your reference, where I got this Titanic train data set was actually from Kaggle. It's a pretty good website. I like it so far. It has a lot of information and some stuff. It has some learning content on there, which is really nice. Definitely worth checking out if this is something you want to learn. So thanks for watching. Like, share. Let me know if you want to learn some other stuff. Let me know if I missed anything. Thanks a lot.